Okay, students, welcome back to the VMET classes. Let's start some exercise questions. Question number 1 is how many 5s are immediately preceded by 4 but not immediately followed by 3 in the following series? So, what we have to do, we have to find out the number of 5s which are immediately preceded by 4 but not immediately followed by 3. Like this means 4 should be to the left of 5 and only the 3 should not be to the right of 5. Except 3 we can use any number. Okay, this series patterns we have to find. Now check here the first 5. Can we use this? No, we cannot use this. Then after that this 5, it is also not preceded by 4. Okay, this 5 is preceded by 4 but not but also we have 3 in the following direction, but we can, that's why we cannot take this 5 also. So next, moving further, this 5 is preceded by 4 also and it is not followed by 3 also. So this is following the condition, satisfying the condition. So we have got 1 5 in this way. Now next one is, let us check this one. Yes, this is also the 5 which is preceded by 4 and not followed by 3. So we got 2 5s. Okay, now again this 5 we cannot use. Okay, and now at the end this 5 we can use. This is preceded by 4 and not followed by 3. So how many 5 we got? We got 3 5s. Okay, so the correct answer will be option B. Now moving further to the question number 3. How many even digits are there in the following series, each of which is both immediately followed by and preceded by odd digit? Means what? You have to find out the even digits. We have to find out the even digit which is preceded by odd and followed by odd. Okay, like this. Even digit should be in the center and to the left and right we should have a odd digit. Now let us check. So 6 is even and to the left and right we have odd. So 1 6 we got. Now second one 2 is even and to the left and right we have odd number. So we can take this. So 2 number we got now, and another even number is 2. Yes, 2, but it is not following the condition. Okay, so we cannot take this. The next is 4, we cannot take this. Next is 6, we cannot also take this. Okay, and next is next number even, which is 4, we cannot take this also. Okay, now next one is, yes, 2, we can take 2 because this 9 and 1 are odd and 2 is even. So we got 3. Okay, we got 3, and any other option do we have? Oh no, we cannot take this 8 also, we cannot take this 2 also. So how many odd number is for satisfying the condition is 3. So answer will be option number D, that is 3. Coming to the next question. Now study the coming to the next question, that is question number 5. A logical arrangement is given here, that is alphanumeric and symbolic. Okay, this study the following arrangement carefully and answer the questions given below. So R E 5 D A P $sign 3T, like this we have a arrangement. Now question number 5 is saying that which of the following is exactly in the middle of 3 and 1 in the above arrangement. So first of all find out where is 3 and where is 1. So this is 3, this is 1. Now we have to find out the middle letter from this between 3 and 1. So how many letters are there, how many letters or a symbol or numbers we can find, we have to find out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So middle of the this 3 and 1 will be this P. Okay, this will be the middle one. You can check 5 numbers or alphabets are to the left and 5 numbers alphabet symbols to the right. Okay, this will be the answer. So correct option will be option C, that is B. Okay, now moving further to the question number 6. Which of the following is 6 to the right of hash in the above arrangement? So first of all, find out where is hash. Okay, this is our hash, and 6 to the right means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Answer is M. Which option is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. Very simple questions. Now moving further to the question number 7. Now, how many such vowels are there in the given arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a digit but not immediately preceded by a consonant? So what is the condition? The condition is that we have to find out the vowels which is following, means to the right we need digit, and we should and to the left no consonant should be there. You might be knowing about vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and rest all the alphabets we have is consonant. Okay, so let's check the condition from the given arrangement. So first vowel we have is just a minute. First vowel we have is this E, and it is followed by 5 also, that is a letter, that is a digit or number, and but R is a consonant, so we cannot take this. Okay, next is A, it is not followed by any digit, so we cannot take this also. Okay, after that we have got this one, it is also not followed by a digit, we cannot take this. I, we cannot take this I also. Next one will be this U. This U is followed by a digit and is not following a consonant, that is a symbol. So this U will be the only option we have. Okay, so the correct option will be option B. Question number 7, correct answer is B, 1. Only one vowel we got like this. Okay, so in this way we have to solve. Thank you.